following operator training video on the model DEC series electric convection ovens is a supplement to the instructions manual that came with your Hobart oven. If you have any questions concerning operation, please consult your manual. The Hobart DEC series convection ovens are constructed and designed to give long, satisfactory service, providing they are properly used and maintained. This video will cover the controls of the oven, its operation, cleaning, and maintenance. The controls on the Hobart DEC oven include the on-off cool-down switch. On turns the oven control circuits on. Off turns the oven control circuits off. Cool down allows the fan motor to run with the doors ajar to speed oven cooling. The light switch turns the lights in the oven on or off. The thermostat controls the oven temperature during the cooking process. The timer is used to set the cooking cycle time. The alarm sounds continuously when the elapsed time counts down to 0. The oven does not turn off. Turn the timer to the off position to stop the alarm. If the oven is not in use, keep the timer at the off position. The on light is lit when the on-off countdown switch is positioned at on. The heat light comes on and goes off when the heating elements cycle on and off. The fan switch adjusts the air velocity in the oven. Use the high setting as the usual operating speed and the low setting for delicate product like meringue, which might be blown around in the oven. These are the fuse holders. Replace the fuses with appropriate type described on the control panel. Finally, the moisture vent damper is located at the upper left of the control panel. Open the damper in order to exhaust excess moisture caused by cooking products with a high moisture content. Close the damper when dry products are being cooked. Settings between open and closed permit selection for the best performance. Before using the oven for the first time, it must be burned in to release any odors that might result from heating the new surfaces in the chamber. First, using a clean, damp cloth, wipe the inside of the oven, including the racks. Then, close the doors, turn the on-off cool-down switch to on, turn the thermostat to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, allow the oven to cycle for 6 to 8 hours before turning the on-off cool-down switch to off. Turn the on-off countdown switch to on. The amber on light will come on, indicating that power to the oven is on. Set the thermostat as desired. When the white heat light goes off, the oven has reached the desired preheat temperature. Refer to cooking guidelines in your instruction manual for suggested temperatures and times for various products. Here are some operating tips. When using the convection oven for the first time with a particular food, check the degree of doneness periodically before the suggested time has elapsed to make sure the desired doneness is achieved. Record your temperature and time settings for various products. The convection oven can provide consistent, repeatable results. The convection oven is faster than conventional deck-type ovens. Temperature settings are lower and cook times are shorter. Since recipes and foods are subject to many variations and tastes, the guidelines regarding times and temperatures in your manual are suggestions only. Experiment with your food products to determine the cooking temperatures and times that give you the best results. Turn the thermostat to off. Turn the on-off cool-down switch to on. Leave the door ajar while the fan is on to cool the oven. When the oven is cooled sufficiently, turn the on-off cool-down switch to off and clean the oven. Warning: turn the oven off and disconnect the electrical supply before cleaning. Clean the outside of the oven daily by wiping with a clean, damp cloth. Clean the porcelain oven interior daily with soap or detergent and water. Rinse thoroughly and wipe dry with a soft, clean cloth. Warning, turn the oven off and unplug the power supply cord before performing any maintenance. The fan motor comes with sealed bearings and requires no lubrication. To replace a lamp, allow the oven to cool. Remove all the racks by pulling forward, lifting up, and out. Remove the right rack support by lifting up. Unscrew the glass dome from the light body. Replace the bulb and reassemble the dome, rack support, and racks. This concludes operator training for the Hobart DEC series ovens. To obtain service or parts information concerning these ovens, contact your local Hobart service office.